Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify design system tokens in Figma detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your Figma project where your design system tokens are created. Locate the components that utilize these tokens within your design. Select one of the components to view its properties. In the right sidebar, find the Properties panel. Look for the section labeled Design System Tokens. Take note of the color, typography, and spacing tokens applied. Open a separate design tokens library for reference. Verify the color values against the library. If a color token is named primary, check to see if it has the same hex value in both locations. Repeat this process for secondary and accent colors. Next, inspect the typography tokens used in your selected component. Check the font family, size, weight, and line height properties. Compare these with the typography standards outlined in your design system library. Now, examine any spacing tokens present in the component. Identify margin and padding values. Cross-reference these spacing tokens with their defined counterparts in the library. After verification, review any additional design tokens like shadows or borders. Document any discrepancies you find during this verification process. Address any inconsistencies with your design team for clarification. Once all tokens are confirmed, ensure that they are consistently applied throughout the design. Finally, save your project and share your findings with your team for further review. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.